Hey, fellow Stock Guardians. Happy Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. I'm Hoda, StockCard CEO, reporting to you from the Reddit stock market. I went over the Fed's statement on monetary policies and inflation, researched a new potential meme stock, and explored why online education companies in China dropped significantly today. The stock market indices finished in the red today amidst new estimates from the Fed. The Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, released its public statement today. Despite the positive economic outlook, the Fed's officials decided to keep interest rates low until 2023 to make sure the impact on economic recovery is long-lasting and not transitory. On the other hand, the FOMC's summary of economic projections still shows continued worrying signs of inflation. Officials use the core personal consumption expenditure to measure inflation, and so far, the inflation is at 3%, up by 0.8% from its March forecast. The Fed's headline inflation expectation is now 3.4%, with long-term target inflation at 2%. The Fed believes the higher prices are temporary and not systematic. Put the positive and negative news together, and the final result was a decline in all three indices. Folks, one of my goals from investing in the stock market is to pay for things I want to do in life. Of course, retirement is a classic investment goal. But what about paying for the next iPhone you'd like to buy? Our partner Joseph Hogue has the same idea. In his latest video, he talks about 3 dividend-paying stocks that you could invest in and use the dividends to pay for your next iPhone in September. Watch the video and let me know if you like the idea of paying for things you need with your stock picks and dividends. I'll leave a link to Joseph's video in the show notes in case you want to have a look. Redditors on Wall Street Bets continue to hunt for short squeezable stocks, and today I noticed a new one on a StockCard's winners and losers page. Arrival, ARVL, is looking like the new meme stock. Arrival is an electric van and bus maker. It has started 5 years ago in England, but has come to public attention in 2021. The company is currently building microfactories to allow for quicker production. It'll need a faster production capacity because it struck a deal with UPS for a whopping 10,000 vans. The ride-sharing company Uber has also recruited the English startup to provide it with a custom electric vehicle to supplement its fleets and drivers. While it may still need to streamline and scale its operations, the company has built a trustworthy brand across the EV sector, resulting in more new contracts. Until then, the capital accrued through these massive partnerships would keep the lights on over the coming years and beyond. As a result, this may be a meme stock worth your attention despite its sizable short interest. While we're on the subject of meme stocks, recently I created a short squeeze list that includes several companies with high short interest, just like Arrival, and bearish sentiment that may be your starting point for finding future meme stocks. I'll leave a link in the show notes for you if you want to get a head start in finding the next meme stock. In China, President Xi Jinping plans to curb private tutoring after comments last week about putting more responsibility on the public education system. Sources told Reuters that the industry should be preparing for the worst as officials plan to begin trial phases of the new regulations. This may include banning tutoring over the weekends, heavily limiting advertisements, and other actions to bring children's education back into the school buildings. Naturally, this has caused mass sell-offs across the industry. With the future of after-school and online tutoring uncertain, stocks listed on American exchanges like TAL Education Group, TAL, and New Oriental Education and Technology Group, EDU, have fallen 16.92% and 11% respectively. However, I don't believe these drops are buy the dip opportunities. I would expect the value of these Chinese private education stocks to experience significant volatility as government officials run their trials of the new legislations. I plan to stay away. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give StockCard a try, research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the StockPick page on a StockCard platform. And don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. And as always, you know how the algorithms work. You have to share, like, and subscribe to our channel and share these reports with your fellow investors so that we can grow the StockCard community. If you do that, we really appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow.